Morning and welcome back. So we've got another video today. I just thought I'd give it another little short video because I've got them two going off in background because I'm printing some handles for the kitchen cupboards. And if you're new to the channel, we've just moved in a house and I need kitchen door handles. So these are them at the moment, 25mm by 25mm. So as you can see, it's got a groove at the back. So basically, when it's on the cupboard, and put your fingers behind and pull cutter open. So I've designed them myself, believe it or not. So I will put a link in the description of where you can buy them because I've set up a website where you can buy shit from. So I need two more, so that's what's printing at the moment. But today we've got to tidy this desk up because we've got a new bit of family that's come. You know we've got the number 2. You know we've got the number 1. I've only gone and got this one, which is the Bamboo Lab A1 combo. So that one is going here. So I need to tidy this. So I bought something for kitchen today when we were in Lidl. So I'll just take that lid off. But this, right, when grandkids come, that's 3D printed in toys, we can put it in here. So when grandkids come, just give them this box and they can play with. But I'm going to make one of this full of Lego for them as well. So first item, what I've got, I'll move these screws out of the way because they're my cupboard screws. So we don't need them. So we'll put these on this shelf here with all this other crap, which I do need to make some more boards and maybe another shelf for them. So what have we got on here? We've got a door handle which needs to go downstairs once that's finished printing. So we've got a box, we'll leave that over there. We've got my drill which can go down there to go downstairs. So what have we got? We got this, look, a little Easter thing. That's cool, that, look, it comes in 2 parts. I found this on Maker World. So I got that one, which is quite a little good gadget actually to play with. So I'll put that in its box for kids to play with. Oh, look what my daughter wanted. It's a Batman hat. Right, this goes on a cat. If I come time to edit this video and she sends me a picture, I'll put it on. But when I printed this, it's printed alright, but it's got a couple of rough patches on here. So what I'll do, I'll just smooth this down with a little Dremel, whatever they call it. You know what I mean, when it goes zzz. One of these. No, it's not a dildo. It's a drill. And it comes with all sorts of attachments. So that's for my daughter. So I'll leave that there because it's to fix. I've got another one as well because my other daughter wanted one as well because the cat people. Oh, I got this, look. I made this, look, a slinky egg. Oh, this is so satisfying. Look at this. Oh yes, that's so satisfying. So that can go in there for kids. I'll leave a link in the description for that as well. And I printed this for our last, another egg. But if you undo the egg, look, it's got a finger. But I think I showed you that on the last video. Oh, somebody ordered these. Believe it or not. So I sold these. There's 3 somewhere. There, look, I did a pink one, I did a red one, and I did a yellow one. But I don't know what they are. I think it's some kind of stand for something. I'm not sure. So these need packing up and putting in a box and posting. So I'll put that over there. Oh, while I'm here, look at this. I did this from Cameron. So basically a Kinder Egg fits in here and it's got some magnets here. So that goes on there and it's magnetised. So I'll leave that there because that's to go to my daughter as well. What else have I got? Oh, I did this, but I think you've seen this. Kinder Egg just sits on top of here. So I'll leave that in a link in description. Kinder Egg toy. I'll leave that with Cameron because his Kinder Egg goes in that, so that goes in that. I don't need them parts, so that's fine. Oh, I did this. Now a van life, I might be interested in this. So basically, if I put these parts, let's just move all this stuff in here. So if you put these two parts together, right, it goes like that. Let me just hold that because you've got there. It wants holes on either side. So if you put that, say, on back of your van door or in motorhome, believe it or not, right, because it's got, oh, I can't twist it out, because it's got slots in it. You can see it on a better angle there. As it's got a slot on it, look, can you see it? Oh, sorry, it's the wrong way around. So you got a slot, you see it back here, it goes down here. Right, now it's in place properly. So you could attach this to the back of your van door in a motorhome, on a door or a cupboard, whatever. And you know what could just slide into there? The Starlink, which is good little storage, innit? So I'm going to put that on my website for sale because I did design that. So I will leave this to one side. No, I won't. I'll put it in this box for my selling shit, which actually I better leave out on that because I need a picture of it. So that needs a picture and putting on website. Oh, and I did something else as well, which I did find this on Maker World. There, that can go inside a cupboard. As you can see the size of it, and it's just big enough for a spice rack. So that could go as a van lifer item. So I am going to list this for sale because it has got the rights to sell it. So that can go there. Oh, now I got this, right? This is a puzzle. So this puzzle, right, it comes out of there, look, it's got holes in there, and it's got like this maze around here. So you've got to put that in its slot, and then you've got to do maze till it closes. Oh, how fidgety is this? Wow, I can tell you now, that took ages, as you could tell in the time lapse. So you've got to take it out bit by bit. Oh, it's the right puzzle. Now that is very fidgety. If you want to spend hours and hours. Inside you could put something, gift toy or something. But yeah, that's great, is that. So I'm going to put that into the kids' stuff. And then what else did we do? Oh, I think you've seen this in a future video. This is goes on my Truma heater, which is outside here. Because once you Truma, you'll only know if you're a motorhome or a van. It drips outside at motorhome. But now it won't, because it'll, as you can see on it, well, I do it on that angle, you better see on dark wall actually. It comes away, so it'll drip away from the motorhome now. So that's to go in the motorhome for me. I did do this sign, believe it or not. That goes there, that goes there. I found this on Maker World though, but the problem is it's so flimsy. To me, it's a bunch of crap. But they go together like that, and it says camping. It's very flimsy, but I don't even think if somebody wanted to sell that, it'd be alright for personal use, but I won't. I don't know. It's a bit of crap really, I think. So I might give that away to somebody. So I don't know who I'm going to give that to. But I'll put that there for the motorhome. Oh, I found this. Look at this. So we got a box and we got a board. So what you do, you get one of these letters out of here, and you put all these letters in place. Oh my god. Because of my little fat fingers, arthritis, things like this is very fidgety. But when you're finished with all this, that go back in box, and this can slide and shut again. So I did that for the kids, so that can go into the kids' box. I did this for our lass, which is a cookie cutter. And I did this as a cookie cutter. That's right. And because I broke this, I reprinted this, which is that cup holder, which goes in the Motorhome. Don't ask me for a file off this, because this is copyrighted as this design, but I am working one on myself, which is same enough back, because it has to be that shape at back to go into the vent, but I'm redesigning the cup, so that'll be coming up shortly for sale. When I've designed it, I've half designed it. It needs to be a bit taller, the cup inside, maybe up here, and I've got something special coming off back as well, so it's totally changed this design. As you can see, look, it's got my Pews on Tour logo, which is the other channel. But unfortunately, it has to be that design on the back, I'm afraid, because there's no way around it to stick it in the vent on a Fiat Ducato. And that's for a different vlog. So I've got this as well. This is, you know them hanging air freshener things. So this goes into this slot, right? Goes into there. Then you put your air freshener in here, and then this goes onto here, and it snaps into place. And you can change your smellers. And the reason why I found this is because, you know, when you open them smellers and it just lets all the whiff out at once, well, there's a little knob that goes on there. Well, actually it's there, I ain't even stuck it on yet, and you can, well, it's a little vent, so you can let as much smell out as you want, or as least smell. So I've done that as well. So I'll leave all these links for description for all this, and the stuff that I'm selling, which there'll be a link for my website, which I've just built. And I'm going to move all this now and tidy it up a bit, and then we can install the other bamboo printer. So nice short video. Oh, these are ready, by the way. Here we go. There we go. So from looking at it, and that one's come out all right. So that can go there. And this one's printed as well, which that one's come out all right as well. Perfect. Cool. Right, that's that video done and dusted. Like I said, I've just got to tidy up. I will catch you on the next video.